This is Did You Do It? It's August 31st, 2019, and I thought some of you might be interested. What I've got you at the earth.nullschool.net, and I've got it set on the error mode. I'm at 10 HPA, and I've got it overlaid with the wind. Now, what is HPA? Let's go find out. Click on the About button, and you go down. Well, not too far. And 10 HPA is equal to about plus or minus 26,500 meters. Okay. So, let's convert meters to miles real quick. 26,500 meters is about 16 miles in the atmosphere, okay? So let's see. I'm going to take you back to the 10,000 or 10 HPA. And I've got it clicked on now, which actually UTC time, it represents 0600 UTC on the 31st. And I'm in Eastern time, which is 4 hours behind that. But I'm going to be clicking between now and 3 hours ago. I'm going to be clicking back and forth to show you something here real quick. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. There's some, I don't know, some pattern out here. Watch, I'll show you. See that conical shape, I don't know, radio wave type pattern. See it? Emanating out from about where Dorian is. Okay, let's see. There's now where Dorian is. And that would be the surface winds. And this is at 16 miles high. Now. Okay, I'm just going to go in and out so you can get a better look at it. Okay, let's go 3 hours ago. Okay, see it? So it's been going on for a while. It's only on the eastern side of Dorian. We'll go back and forth now. Okay, to 3 hours ago. Now, 3 hours ago. Okay, now you see what I saw. That's at 16 miles high. Let's get onto the surface and check out Dorian real quick. This is now represents 0600 UTC. Trying to find those 130 or 40 mile an hour winds they're talking about. This is a surface level. Excuse me. I'm gonna start at midnight or noon. Let's say I'm gonna go counterclockwise. 80 miles an hour wind there. Surface. 51. I'm not going to say the mile. Well, okay. 52. I'm just going to go around. I didn't see any real high winds there. And, yeah, 80 or whatever. But let's see. Okay, now we're at 1,000 HPA. 76. And so on. I'm in search of the elusive 140 or whatever they're saying. What is it? Okay, now we'll go up to 850 HPA. Looking for those real high winds. There's 96ers. 85. Let's go around counterclockwise. Looking for the 140. Come on. Not seeing it. 93. Hurricane force, but no 140s. A little higher up in the altitude. 700. That's showing 61. Okay, 85. 87. Let's go counterclockwise. 83. Okay, let's go a little higher. 800 HPA. Or 500, I'm sorry. That's 68 miles an hour. Go counterclockwise. The red is the higher winds. 70. 56. Let's go to 250 HPA. Right around where the commercial airlines fly. 62. There's really not a lot of high winds up there just yet now. Let's go up a little higher. Wow, just about disappears actually. A couple of days ago, NASA had a report out that right I think on the 28th when it was passing Puerto Rico, the cloud tops were at about 9 miles high, something like that. So let's go up to 10 HPA. You can see that radiating pattern I saw. See it? Only on the east side. Well, not too long ago, I'd say a couple hours ago, Hurricane Dorian passed over a buoy. I'll show you if I can. Well, go over to the National Buoy Data Center. And actually passed over this buoy right here. Station number 41046, East Bahamas. I passed right next to it. I can't say right over top. But we're going to get into the details in here. Alright. We're still looking for that 140 mile an hour wind they were talking about. I didn't see it all the way up. Alright. We're going to go down here to combined speed, air pressure, and wind. Okay, the green represents the barometric pressure. Had a severe drop on August 30th at, oh, let's see. Well, right in here, you'll have to read it. But that was the actual point it went by the buoy. A severe pressure drop, and the wind speeds picked up at the same time. That's odd. I thought that would be the eye wall with the pressure drop, but hey, whatever. So the wind, the red, looks like about almost 60 knots. Well, what's a knot? Well, 60 knots is about almost 70 miles an hour. Huh. Let's see where we at. Sorry about that. Okay. And that was it. And the winds have been lower since then. So, still looking for the 140. Dorian is heading towards this buoy right here, as far as the closest. So this is the one I'm going to be watching next. I'm going to be watching this one also. Let's go back over here to 10 HPA for a second. We'll look at this radiating pattern that's heading east out of the Dorian. I'm just going to have to look. Now, see, this is on wind, so what we're looking at is wind. The red is the higher speeds, and the greens and yellows are lower speeds. But let's just see what the wind speeds are within this radiating pattern. Okay, now let's try to do this. 25. Let's go over miles an hour. 78. Okay, I'm going the lighter color. It's lower. 73. 79. It's higher. 73. It's lower. 76. It's higher. 77. 68. 71. Not so well defined there, but it's higher and lower, higher and lower. You can see it pretty clearly, higher and lower. Let's go over 3 hours ago. 3 hours ago. Okay, that would represent midnight UTC. And we'll check this here. That's 77. We'll go to the lighter color. 72. It's 82 miles an hour. 68 miles an hour. There's a difference there. 72. Not a big difference. 62. So that all emanates out eastwards of Dorian. I don't know what that means. But let's try to set this up here. Okay, that's at 10 HPA, and that's now. Okay, now I'm going to go back down to the surface. Let's go back down to the surface. Come on, boys. Well, let's go to the surface on this screen. A couple pages open. There we go. Still looking for that 140 mile an hour wind they were talking about. It looks like it moved a little bit. Okay, 0600 UTC is what the time we're looking at. And that's at the surface. 70 miles an hour. Just looking for that. It says it's 140 on the Weather Channel right now. I'm a little bug in the corner, which they suck. Go up to 1000 HPA. Still looking for that 140 mile an hour wind. It wasn't on that buoy. This buoy over here, number 46. See, they have very few buoys in here, so we're not going to get another reading, but it did pass right by these two buoys right here. Let's go back where we at. Okay, looking for the 140. Come on, 140. We'll go a little higher. Yeah, 86 miles an hour. 93 is the highest we've seen so far, 89. And that would be at 850 HPA. $99. Ooh, there we go. We got a winner there. Okay. Still not up to 140. There's 93. 78. We'll get back to the reds where it'll be higher. 69. 87. Okay, let's go higher. Where's the 140, Mr. Weather Channel man? 68. See, the grains aren't going to be so high. 72. Look there where the commercial jets fly. It's even 53, 54, 50, whatever. Not very high. And so it disappears up there. So 250, it's almost non-existent. It's below hurricane force winds. Let's see, 250. Where's that? There it is. At 250, it's about plus or minus 10,500 meters, which is what, 30? 10,500. Let's see. Alright, play games. 10,000, or whatever. It's about 30 some odd thousand feet. What it comes out to. But let's go back over here. We can visit the storm special at the NDBC, Atlantic Hurricane Ocean. We can go to the buoys that are near the hurricane path. Here's 41046 down here, and it's 41047, but I haven't really, wasn't here to look for that. But going down these columns, let's see, there's a wind direction, wind speed, and gusts. These two columns right here. I'm going to try to zero in on those. And this represents 0710 GMT on 8/31/2019. So I'm going to scroll down. These are all in knots. So 23 knots, 23, 11 knots, 25, 23, 11, 13. So what's a knot? So 25 knots is about a little less than 30 miles an hour. Okay. Where we at? So really, I don't see those real high winds went by any of these buoys that the hurricane path is on. I have trouble getting these links in this video tonight, but I'll stick them in the description box tomorrow. I'm sorry about all this time off. Playing that later. This is Did You Do It?